Say, Michael's first motorcycle ride. Take one. Say something to the camera.
All right.
Do you have any fear?
No.
Okay. Do it. Wow, I don't believe it. All right.